What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw Pi coins from your Pi app, or in this case our Pi browser wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, you will need to have your Pi app and your Pi browser installed. And also you will need to install the selected exchange to which you want to withdraw your Pi coins to. So at the moment there are 5 official exchanges that Pi currently supports, or in their words, 5 exchanges that are KYB verified. So these are those 5 exchanges. Now in my case I will be using Bitget because in my opinion that's the easiest one to use and the most established one of all of those. Also I will leave links to all of these 5 exchanges in the description below and in the pinned comment, so you don't have to look for them manually. Now once you have your exchange selected, you can first open your Pi app to check if you have done all the main stuff that needs to be completed before you can withdraw your Pi coins. So once you have opened your app, go to these 3 horizontal lines right here and click on the mainnet option, the second one. Now once you're on the mainnet, you would need to go to the mainnet checklist and just check if everything is completed right here. If it is, you can exit the Pi app and open up the Pi browser app so we can access our Pi wallet. Now once you're on the Pi browser, just go ahead and select the wallet option, the middle one right here. And I will just select the second option that says unlock with a fingerprint. Also, if you have your mnemonic phrase written down, the 24-word one, you can just copy paste it here on or transcribe it to unlock your wallet. So I will just go ahead and click unlock with fingerprint. And that way I will access my Pi browser wallet. So once you're on your Pi wallet, here you will be able to see the amount of Pi that was migrated from the Pi app to the Pi wallet, aka from the Pi miner to the mainnet. Now from here to withdraw your Pi you would need to click on pay/request right here. And here I will select the second option that says manually add a wallet address. Now once you're here, you can exit the Pi app and go ahead and open Bitget or your selected exchange, aka one of those 5 that support Pi network. So once I'm on my exchange, I would need to click on the Assets tab right here in the bottom right corner. And here is how it looks when you just open your Bitget account. So I just opened this about an hour ago, and here I would need to click deposit to deposit our Pi. Now on the deposit option, go ahead and select the deposit crypto option, the one under the text that says I have crypto assets. And here in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Pi. And there we go. Now there's only one option because they verified it from their side. So just go ahead and click Pi. And here is our public address so we can receive Pi on Bitget. So to receive Pi, I would just need to copy this address. And now once we have our address, we can go ahead and go back to our Pi wallet. So here just under the wallet address, you would need to paste over the wallet address that we just copied, just like this. And the memo is optional, so once you have all that selected, you can input the amount of Pi coins that you would like to transfer from Pi wallet to Bitget or your selected exchange. So I will select, let's say, 2 Pi coins, and keep in mind that the fee is 0.01 Pi flat. So once you have your Pi selected, in this case 2 Pi, and the wallet address pasted over, you can go ahead and click send right here. Now there's a notification saying that you're about to send 2 Pi over, and this little disclaimer right here. So I will just go ahead and click confirm right here. And there we go, the transfer has been successful. So I will just click close. And now all we need to do is just wait a few minutes for our Pi to arrive on Bitget. And here under the transaction history, you can also see this transfer right here. So let's go ahead and open Bitget again to check if the Pi has arrived. And there we go. Now for me it took about 30 to 50 seconds for Pi to arrive on Bitget. Now as you can see, the 2 Pi that we transferred over has arrived, and if we click on it we can see that the value of those Pi coins is about 3 euros or $3 in this case. And that's guys how you can withdraw Pi or your Pi coins from your Pi wallet onto an exchange and that way sell them. Also, if you guys would like to know more about Pi, you can check my whole Pi playlist right here. On that playlist there are all kinds of tutorials related to Pi coin and how to do all sorts of things with Pi. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to check out that playlist, and thank you for watching.